Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security. Now tap on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Following that, click on Setup Face Unlock. Read all of the instructions and disclaimers and tap on Start at the bottom right corner. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now select Done, also at the bottom right corner, and adjust those two options however you wish to. Make sure that unlocking your tablet one is enabled if you wish to use Face Unlock. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!